How far does $625,000 go toward buying a house? How many bedrooms should the house have? Is there a backyard with a pool? Or maybe a cool treehouse? We're going to 3 different cities in America to tour houses at similar listing prices to see what $625,000 can buy. This is Listing Price. Our first home is in Kansas City, Missouri. The city is nestled between the Kansas and Missouri rivers and is home to a diverse population of more than 2 million people. This historic home sits in a quiet tree-lined street and has 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. The front of the house showcases a spacious and welcoming front porch encased in beautiful stonework. Inside, you'll find a beautiful living room with a navy blue statement wall with a tiled fireplace mantel to warm up cozy nights in. The room is also connected to the formal dining room, currently decorated with bold prints and furnished with dark furniture that matches the house's trims. The dark millwork can also be found in the mudroom at the back of the house. Meanwhile, the kitchen features a ceramic backsplash, spring green cabinets, and stylized appliances like the retro fridge and red stove. There's also access to the covered patio and backyard, where you'll find a fun treehouse ready to host outdoor adventures and childhood retreats. Another fun feature of this house are these beautiful stained glass windows that bask both floors with natural light. The second level has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a walk-in closet. The primary bedroom is generously sized with an ensuite bathroom. This bedroom has a Murphy bed to maximize the space, but also has a quick escape to the second-level patio. And at the top of the house is the 4th bedroom and a large attic space, currently used as a media room, but can be converted into a private office or playroom. This house has an annual HOA fee of $50 and a 2-car garage. For our next house, we're traveling about 750 miles south to Missouri City, Texas. This amazing 1.5-story home is situated on an oversized lot in a quiet neighborhood. Guests and homeowners are greeted with this beautifully landscaped front yard with a picturesque oak tree. The 4-bed, 3-bath home has an open floor plan that showcases high ceilings, arched hallways and recesses, and large windows throughout. As you enter through the front door, you're welcomed by a large formal living and dining room. The kitchen features upgraded cabinets, a walk-in pantry, and generous counter space, making cooking a delight. The breakfast bar is set up for entertaining since it connects the kitchen to the large family room with its tall Palladian windows and warm fireplace. There's also a technology niche next to the kitchen, a perfect spot for homework or getting work done at home. All 4 bedrooms are also on the first floor, including the impressive primary bedroom boasting an ensuite bathroom with double vanity sinks and a walk-in closet. The other bedrooms offer newly installed carpet, ceiling fans, and sizable closets. The house has a wrought iron staircase that leads to the second floor game room and media room, where you can spend Saturday nights playing games and lounging. But in the daytime, you can spend your time outside in the backyard oasis. There's an in-ground pool and spa surrounded by beautiful landscaping. The covered patio has a gas hookup for a barbecue pit. There's a $97 monthly HOA fee, and the home has a 2-car garage. Our last stop is in Sacramento, the capital of California. Within minutes from the downtown area, this home offers quick access to shops and restaurants, but is centrally located in a quiet, established neighborhood. This beautifully renovated gem comes with an open floor plan featuring a living room and dining area with a peekaboo window showcasing the open kitchen. Custom cabinets surround this entire space with room for additional seating before dividing into a split floor plan, branching off to 3 bedrooms. And one of the best things about this home is the huge enclosed backyard with endless possibilities. You can build a pool, plant a garden, or create an expansive green space. And there's an additional detached garage with extended parking. We've looked at 3 homes today with listing prices around $625,000. Which one was your favorite? Perhaps you'd like to live in a charming bungalow in Kansas City with built-in character throughout the house, or the well-maintained home with a gorgeous backyard and pool for relaxing in Missouri City. Or maybe you like the single-family flat with the easy-flow open floor plan and large lot in Sacramento. Anyway, we hope we gave you a better idea of what your home buying dollars can get you in different cities. Let us know where we should visit next.